how to buy SNAI, the SwarmNode.ai token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account. They have a big community there, as you can see, and make sure to keep following their updates about their token. Now to be able to buy this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, let's go and create one. Now as you can see this lock icon. As you can see, if you click on it, you will see that 100% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. Now this token, it's increased by 67,000% in the last 24 hours. Now this token is under Solana network. Now after that, copy here, click here to copy the token address. Now go and open your Bitget wallet. As you can see, now here select the Solana network and click on plus icon. Now paste the token address. As you can see, now after that, this is our token. Now click on plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to be able to buy it, and now scroll down. This is our token. Just click on it and now click on swap, and from here click on switch, and after that select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDT, now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet and type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive, and now after that, this is how much you receive with that token. Now so let's click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the SNAI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.